Two concentric thin metallic spheres of radii r1 and r2 with r1 greater than r2, where charges q1 and q2 respectively. Then the potential at a distance r between r1 and r2 is, so here r1 is greater than r2 and we have charges q1 and q2. So q2, the sphere with the radius r2 will be the inner one and the sphere with the radius r1 will be the outer one. So we have to find the potential, the total potential in between these two spheres. So here we have sphere of radius r2 with the charge q2 and the sphere of radius r1, so with the charge q1. So here we have to find the potential somewhere here. So this point will be outside point for the inner sphere. This point will be outside point for the inner sphere and this point will be inside point for the outer sphere. So the total potential at the point P will be equal to potential due to the inner sphere, so that I say V2, potential due to the outer sphere, that I say V1. So this point P is outside point for the inner sphere. What is the distance of this point P from the center, from the common center R? So the potential due to this inner sphere will be K Q2 divided by small r, and this point will be the inside point for the outer sphere, so it will be K Q1 divided by R1. So this is the correct answer.